Do you know many people are having trouble with charging their Philips Bodygroom Series 7000 for the first time? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off clippers. Ensure the clippers are turned off before starting the charging process. Step 2. Connect charger. Open the inlet cover and connect the small plug into the appliance. Step 3. Begin charging. Plug the adapter into a wall socket and charge for approximately 1 hour. Step 4. Disconnect charger. After 1 hour, disconnect the power plug and remove the small plug from the device. Step 5. Cover inlet. Secure the inlet cover back in place and observe the battery status. Now you should be ready to use your Bodygroom confidently after following these steps. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.